Hello, I am Akash Mudukar and this is a quick demonstration of a basic vulnerability scan using Nmap on a local virtual lab environment. So I am using here my Linux machine for demonstration. So you can see here Nmap is already installed on my machine. So I am going to next step. So first I am using a command IP space A. As you can see, the machine has an IP address 192.168.146.128, which is assigned to ETH 0. So first I perform as a ping scan using Nmap. So command is Nmap space -sn to identify live hosts in a subnet. The scan found for the active devices. You can see here. Uh, Next, I run as a version and OS detection scan. So command is nmap space uh, -s capital V space -0 and the target IP address. So it's helped me to gather detail like open ports, running services, and OS guesses. For example, here I'm using here 192.168.146.2 has a port 53 was open, which indicate as a DNS services. So next step is I also use the nmap script for DNS-NS ID on particular port 53 to fetch the additional DNS related information. You can see the response indicated as a generic DNS resolver. So that is. Then next step is to check the DNS service over UDP, and I use as a UDP scan. The port response but return as a refuse message is useful for identify the configuration or it's for firewall issues. And lastly, I use a stealth scan which random decodes and modify the packet size. This helps to evade the detection and simulate the attacker behavior. So summary of finding. So you can see the one host is running as a DNS service on port 53. Other hosts had all ports filtered, indicating the firewall protection, and there is basically no direct vulnerability we are found, but port exposure and DNS response to suggestion configuration reviews recommended. And what is the I recommendation for that network actually? So first I have to restrict the DNS access to internal users, disable unused services, and regularly fetch and harden network devices. So that is a particular complete overview of Nmap, and this is a complete the basic Nmap based vulnerability assessment. Thank you.